Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete any friend on Facebook very easily. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes under the video and write your comments. So let us get started with you. Please open the Facebook application. After that, you will need to go to the Friends section at the bottom. Now at the top, select the option for your friends, and then you'll see the whole list of your friends. And then to delete someone, you can either enter the person's name in the search box to find them faster, or you can scroll through and let's say find the person you want to delete. Then go to their page, click Friends, and now select the very first option. Confirm your action. This way you will no longer be friends with that person. And you can do the same with the others, your friends. Unfortunately, there's no option where you can delete all your unwanted friends at once, so you have to delete one person at a time. That's it, folks. This is how you can delete your friends on Facebook very easily. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please, friends, don't forget to put your likes, write comments under this video, and subscribe to this channel. Take care.